Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a hero section in Webflow. We will begin by understanding the core purpose of a hero section, which is to immediately capture user attention and convey your site's main message. Then, we will dive into Webflow, setting up a new section and a container to house our content. It is crucial to consider responsive design from the start, ensuring your hero looks fantastic on every screen, from large desktops to small mobile phones. Next, let's structure the content within your hero section. You can select from various layouts, perhaps a single column for simplicity or a two-column design for more complex information. We will then add the key textual elements: a powerful heading, a concise subheading, and a clear call to action button. Don't forget to integrate a visually striking image or a short, engaging video to truly captivate your audience. Now, let's make your hero section visually stunning with styling and interactions. We will explore applying custom fonts, selecting a harmonious color palette, and choosing an impactful background. Proper use of padding and margin is essential for creating visual balance and readability. To enhance user engagement, we will also add subtle interactive elements, such as a gentle hover effect on your button or a smooth scroll-triggered animation for a dynamic feel. Finally, let's cover best practices and optimization to ensure your hero section performs flawlessly. It is vital to optimize all images, compressing them to ensure rapid loading times without sacrificing quality. We will also focus on accessibility, making sure your hero section is usable and enjoyable for everyone. Remember to thoroughly test its responsiveness across a multitude of screen sizes, from desktop monitors to mobile devices, for a consistent user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.